Hello everyone, this is page 34 of the adult Leila Fletcher adult piano 1 course 1, and then we're on this page 34, and then we want to talk about accidentals. What are accidental? Accidental, in my own word, is either a sharp, a flat, or a natural that does not belong in the key. It does not belong to that. For example, we are in the key of G. If you find any note that does not belong in the key of G, it's an accidental. It could be a sharp, it could be a flat, it could be a natural when you write it. Okay? So you need to understand it. And we're going to be focusing on the natural here. Second thing you need to remember is that this is in the regular movement. 4/4 is in the key of G, and then we need to use your pedal. All right? So let's hear what the song sounds like. Okay? I'll try to be as slow as possible. Thank you. That's the song.